In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split and reconcile transactions efficiently and accurately. This is a skill every diligent financial manager or small business owner should have, as it ensures seamless bookkeeping and a clear understanding of where your money is going. By the end of this guide, you'll feel confident handling complex transactions that need to be split for more detailed accounting. To start, you'll need to navigate to your main dashboard. This is your control center where you can easily access all financial tools and features. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the Reconcile option. This is where the magic happens. Clicking on Reconcile brings you directly to the section where you can manage your bank statements and align them with your internal records. Now, the next step is to locate the specific transaction you wish to split. You'll find this in either the bank statement or spent column. This might be a payment you made that covers several expenses or a large deposit that needs to be attributed to multiple income streams. Once you've spotted it, click on the transaction to begin breaking it down. After you've selected your transaction, you'll be presented with options, and you should choose either Add Details or Split. Choosing Split will allow you to divide this transaction into more manageable parts. Here, you're going to enter the first portion of the transaction. Don't forget to fill in all necessary details, which include the amount you're allocating, a brief but clear description, and crucially, the appropriate account code. This code is essential as it helps categorize the expense or income correctly, maintaining the organization in your financial records. When you've finished entering the first portion, you'll notice a +Add New Line button. This is your tool for creating additional entries. Click this to generate a new line, where you'll continue assigning parts of the transaction to different accounts or categories. Keep entering details for each segment of the transaction, adding new lines as required. The aim is to ensure that, when you add up all these lines, the total matches the amount of the original transaction perfectly. Take your time with this, double-checking amounts and descriptions to avoid any errors. Once you're satisfied that all portions of your transaction have been correctly detailed and you've confirmed that everything balances, it's time to wrap up the process by clicking Reconcile. This final step updates your records, integrating these detailed entries into your financial system. With everything reconciled, you've successfully split and managed your transactions, keeping your financial data organized and precise. Thank you for following along. And remember that mastering this process makes a significant difference in keeping your finances in order.